Most people get this wrong. They think Now Pay Flex is just a payday loan app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access bill payment features and flexible installment options, all with transparent fees if used correctly. Here's how it works. Now Pay Flex allows you to access a portion of your paycheck before payday or split purchases into smaller payments over time. Instead of high interest rates, it applies a flat fee per transaction or advance. The app also provides repayment reminders, spending alerts, and optional budgeting tools to help you stay in control of your money. The downside? Overusing Now Pay Flex can become costly. Fees accumulate with frequent advances, and missed payments can result in restrictions or additional charges. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access what you genuinely need and can repay. 2. Set up alerts to avoid missed payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on short-term advances. Who should use Now Pay Flex? People with steady income who occasionally face unexpected expenses or want help managing bills. If your income is unpredictable or you struggle with repayment discipline, it may cost more than it helps. In conclusion, Now Pay Flex in 2026 is a practical tool for short-term cash flow and payment management, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a convenience, track fees carefully, and stick to repayment plans. Subscribe for more financial reviews and tips to handle your money smarter.